Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Well, for today's video, I'm sharing with you another haul, and yes, it's from Santhosh Superstores. I got this huge big shopper full of stuff, and of course this big shopper is also from Santhosh, and it was priced at 42 rupees. So without further ado, let's get started. I also got another big shopper. This is a little smaller than that, and it was priced at 38 rupees. Next, I got this pretty wrapping paper. One is these pink roses. The next one is this pretty minty green with roses. And these were 10 rupees per sheet. Next, I bought plenty of bottles. Five bottles. These three are from the Milton brand. It's a 1 liter bottle. It was priced at 33 each. And these two are Pearl Pit 1 liter bottles, priced at 37 each. Moving on, I got some pretty, I'm not sure what they are, craft rings, wreath rings. This bigger size was priced at 30 rupees. And the smaller one was priced at 20 rupees, and I got 2 of each. Next, I bought these pretty Rhinestone Stickers. It was priced at 21 rupees, and I really like the design and the iridescent color. I also bought these half pearls in silver, and it was priced at 27 for the sheet. Next, I bought a pack of hairbrush and comb with a comb, which was free. This was 53 rupees. Next, I got some tacket. This was 95 rupees from the Faber-Castell brand. Then I got some pretty masks. This is how it looks. These are supposed to be kids masks, 3 layers, and they were priced at 44 for a pack of 10. Then I wanted to give a shot at these amazing growing capsules. These are for boys, and so I think these are the designs that you get, or maybe these are the designs that you get. And you're supposed to immerse a capsule in hot water and then see the thing come. So let's try it out later. This was priced at 42 rupees. Next, I bought these pretty notepads. These have a magnetic backing, and I really like these pictures in front. This is 44 rupees each. It comes with notepad and a pencil attached to it. This is one design. This is another one. This is one. And this cat's one. Next, I got a few more hand tally counters, and they were priced at, wow, okay, one says 126 and the other says 102. Next, I got 2 dies. These were 10 rupees each. I need to keep them away from the boys. And then I got a pack of floral stems, and this was priced at 70 rupees. They become a little bent. And then I got I bought 5 counters. And then I bought some kolama. I'm not sure what you call that in English, but we usually use this for doing the rangoli art. And I'm not going to do rangoli, but this can be used for when you're drying flowers. You can stick them onto this, and this will absorb the wetness. And yeah, finally, I bought these white petals for some DIYs again, and this was priced at 47 for this big pack. And hold on. And the last item, I got this small rolling pin and board set, and this was priced at 68 rupees. And that was it. And that was it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Please be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe if you like such DIYs and haul videos. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. God bless you. Smile Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.